Yes, so yes, so chat all in. Yes, welcome to another episode of Market Update. That is our weekly update after the analysis of the week open. We have week update. So currently the market is closed. The 1 hour closure of the market before we open to the Asian session. I decided why not? Let's do this thing because I don't have sleep. Current at my country it's one one 1 in the morning. So let's dive in. So for now, remember gold we were just observing, but gold has decided to respect these levels. I don't know for how long it's going to respect these levels. Here we go. So that's where gold has decided to start forming a good structure after a very chaotic bearish then a bullish momentum. This is where it has decided to create a resistance. So for now, let's wait and observe, see how for how long it's going to respect it, see if it's going to give us a setup. Yes, and for those trading gold, I would like you to give us an update of how things are. So the next one is UJ. Oh, UJ did something I didn't expect it to do. It came back to these levels. Remember, we expected it to come at this resistance, but it came back to this support, which is very interesting. So I'll be observing it. I'll be observing it because it has closed very nicely, look at that. Look at that. If you remember, there's a time we expected it to come back here and we were waiting to rally with it up, but it never came back. But for now it has decided to come back. But the main issue as to why UJ has dropped is there was an election in Japan. I think the prime minister won the majority. I don't know majority of what, but there was something to do with it. So that gave Japanese yen a very strong fundamental, because people believe the new prime minister will not have a hard time making decisions. And if you know very well, Japan has a very low interest rate. I want you to know that, and I will tell you why I'm saying that. And I also think this has to do with the Bitcoin liquidification of the money, which is, yes, very many people liquidated Bitcoin money. So I will tell you why. So let's wait for now. Let's leave it there. If it comes to this level and gives us a good setup, we can know where to go. But this is a normal thing in the market. So let's wait and see. When it comes to platinum has not come back to our level, in the initial level that we wanted to come, so that we can take along. So we've been observing it. So not much, so no need to analyze. It comes to German 40, I think it's respecting these levels, but I'm not certain. So I'll move this resistance there and wait and see how it's going to behave. But it's giving a bullish momentum. I think it wants to break out of this range. So the next one will be US 30. US 30 broke these levels. Remember the previous video I said we wanted to know if it was a fake out, and so far so good. I think this is a break of structure, and the market has decided to rally up. So but it's trying to come back, although the bullish are very strong. So the reason as to why I said you should keep the idea that Japan has very low interest rates is this one. I think the money that was liquidated in Bitcoin and Ethereum, in most cryptocurrency, investors are investing here, and some are paying back to UJ, and plus the factor of the prime minister election and stuff. So this is how it works. For most investors, they borrow money where the interest rates are very low and invest, then they pay back as leverage. So most investors use leverage, and the most area where most investors borrow money is in Japan. Remember, investors don't like holding liquid cash, so they had to put it somewhere. I think some paid back the loans. I think others invested in US companies, and this is why I think USD is rallying. I might be wrong. I don't know, I might be wrong. This is according to me, because I know very well very many investors don't like holding cash because of the inflation factor. And as a trader, we all know that if you have cash, you have to move it somewhere. So where do they move? In companies which are doing very well. And the government of the US, I think people are investing in it. Yes, we might hate the fact that people are investing in it, but investors know where to put their money. Remember, charts don't lie. Charts shows us how the money is flowing. As you can see, this seems there was a very big investor who invested in this area. This might not be a single person, but multiple people, because this is very large, and it's not willing to come down. So that's my idea, that's my thought, and that might also explain why UJ has been able to be stronger than US dollar, because I remember people are paying back the debts that they owe to Japan, and they will pay back in Japanese yen. So for now, let's hope I'm wrong, because if I'm right, that liquidated money from Bitcoin and other currency, other cryptocurrencies had to go somewhere, and we hope it is not in the USD. So for now, let's wait and see. So after the breaking of the structure, and turning this into support, what I'm waiting for is the market to come back here, and I can have a very beautiful long. Here we go. I can have a very beautiful long. So we wait for it to come here, gives us our confirmation, and we take this 1:4, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 1:to something. Yes, so RR, here you go, ratio, very nice. So if we get that one, it will be a very good setup. So for now, let's sit on arm and wait. So the next one is a Bitcoin Euro. We don't have a setup yet, so no need to waste much time, no need to waste much of our time analyzing it and we want to take a trade. So for now we leave it, and we come back to oil. So you all know I took a trade in oil. I have been holding it, but it's just consolidating within my entry area. So for now, it's not easy. This is where the psychology part comes in, because sometimes I'm tempted to close it, but remember, I have to make sure I hold my trades. I respect my losses, and I respect my take profits levels. So I have to sit on my arm and wait. And the fact that it's not moving to my direction is a very huge impact in my psychology. Remember, I have lost 2 trades consecutively, 2 trades, and this is the other trade I am in, and you can see it's consolidating. So as a normal human being, remember, psychology will be affected. So this is where I have to be strong, and remember to apply trading psychology. But if I decide to close this trade, I will keep you updated, because I will be looking at it. If it gives me a setup that is going to show as if I'm going to blow my account, then I will make sure I keep you updated. So for now, I'm still holding, still in the market, all the way from Friday. So it has been few days, 4 days, maybe Saturday, Sunday, Friday, and Monday, Tuesday. 5 days, not easy. So I've been holding it. So remember, I take weekly swings, so it's within my weekly levels, within my weekly time zone, because today is on a Wednesday, as per when I will be posting this video. So for now, let's hold it. And Ethereum, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for Ethereum to come back here, and I can short, so if I short this one, I know this will tempt me to close the oil trade. If I will be very much into shorting this one, I'm sure I might find myself closing the oil trade, because my account is not that big to hold 2 trades that I go with big stop losses, and so I will keep you updated. Yes, so when it comes to next week. So for now, let's wait and see. So without much ado, I'll end my English session there and go record the Swahili session. So for now, that's all out. Remember to be profitable in the market, and apply risk to reward accordingly. Check on the psychology, and remember, this is a game of probability. Don't be so hard on yourself. It's so it's okay. So for now, that's all out. This is what I'm waiting for. Yes, sir. Talk to you later.